In this video, we'll create a custom multi-category tag that we can use on a variety of elements. We'll also create a custom shortcut so that multi-category tag is easily accessible in the future. There's a variety of ways that you can tag things in Revit, similar to how we tagged our room. We'll use a multi-category tag. This will work on a variety of categories like walls, floors, doors, you name it. I'll go to the Annotate tab and find Multi-Category Tag. I'll go to the Properties panel and I'll uncheck Leader. I'll click once on the door. I'll hit Escape to get out of the tool. If I hit Tab, I can select the tag to see what's going on. I'll go Edit Family. If I go to Label and say Edit in the Properties panel, you can see my type mark and a sample value of 1T. For this particular instance, I don't want to see the type mark. That's a label we'll use later. So I'll select the row and move it off to the side. I'll search to the category parameters, choose comments. That'll be more flexible. I'll click the green arrow to add the parameter to the label and say OK. I'll click on the grip and move the text box in order to encompass the word comments, maybe even a bit more. Once I'm happy with that, I say Load into Project and close. You can choose if you'd like to save. I typically say no. Then I'll overwrite the existing parameters. If I click on the question mark, I can change this to closet. This is useful in case I'd like to tag the closet in future views. I can remember to use my multi-category tag. Another place I find the multi-category tag helpful is for exterior decks. I'll go to my Annotate tab, select multi-category, and choose the front deck. I'll hit Escape to get out of the tool. I'll click and label my exterior deck. Because we'll use this multi-category tag a lot in this class, I find it helpful to create a custom shortcut. In order to do that, I have to activate the shortcut menu. KS is the hotkey, and this will let you search for any of the commands on Revit and associated shortcuts. I'll search for the multi-category tag. I'll put my custom shortcut in by typing MT and then Assign. I'll say OK. Now that I have a custom shortcut assigned to my custom multi-category tag, I'll type MT and click on my back deck. Because this back deck is a little irregular, the tag is a little hard to find. It'll be somewhere near the center of the shape. Once I find the associated tag, I select it and then move the tag to an area where it'll be more readable. I'll go to my second floor plan and type MT to complete my tags for the remaining decks and closets. One of the things you'll want to keep an eye out for as you do your tagging is any question marks that show up that maybe aren't as you intended. Do one final look over. If you see those, click and delete. As a reminder, in this video, we created a custom multi-category tag. We added that custom shortcut so that we can access the tag easily in the future. I hope this helps.